Hi, my name is Inwan. We'll be looking at AMC 8 year 2010. We'll have to look at from question 1. Question 1. At Euclid High School, the mathematics teachers are Mrs. Germain, Mr. Newton, and Mrs. Young. There are 11 students in Mrs. Germain's class, 8 in Mr. Newton, and 9 in Mrs. Young's class that are taking AMC 8 this year. How many mathematics students at Euclid High School are taking the contest? Problem 1 should be easy, supposed to be easy. So the question doesn't really matter. You'll just have to look at the numbers, because the question asks for how many mathematics students at Euclid High School. 11, 8, and 9. Really, really easy. 28. Choice C. Question number 2. If a at b equals a times b over a plus b for a, b positive integers, then what is a 5 at 10? This is another very easy question. You're just expressing this in the actual format. So 5 times 10 over 5 plus 10, which is 10 over 3, choice D. For first few questions, we'll just make it easy and quick, because I'm guessing you guys can solve these questions easily as well. Problem 3, that's the graph. Problem 3 asks for, the graph shows the price of 5 gallons of gasoline during the first 10 months of the year. By what percent is the highest price more than lowest price? So you just have to look for the highest, the tallest one, and the lowest, which is the shortest one. So it's none of these. That's the shortest. That's the tallest. So that's the highest price, and that's the lowest price. And you have to look for by what percent, which means you have to get highest, that's 17, lowest 10. So 17 minus 10 divided by 10, which is 7 over 10, and you have to show it in percentage, so you have to multiply by 100, which will give you 70%. That's choice C. Question number 4. This is a statistic question. What is the sum of the mean, median, and mode of the number 23031403? When you get these kinds of numbers, always remember to put them in order, because in that way you can find mode and you can find median more easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Yep. So those are the 8 numbers. Median would be, since there's 8, it's even, so the middle 2, you have to average it out. 2.54 median. For mode, the most common one is 3, because you have 3 3s. Mean, which is the average, you'll have to add them up and divide it by the number of it. 0, 0, 1, 3, 6, 9, 12, 16, divided by 8 of them, which is 2. And the question asks for the sum of median, mode, and mean. So you have to add these 3 up, which equals to 7.5, and that's choice C. Question number 5. Alice needs to replace a light bulb located 10 centimeters below the ceilings of her kitchen. The The ceiling is 2.5 meters above the floor. Alice is 1.5 meters tall and can reach 46 centimeters above her head. Standing on a stool, she can just reach the light bulb. What is the height of the stool in centimeter? For this question, make sure you don't mistake between centimeter and meters. So you have to choose one and unify it. So if I draw a diagram, I'm not the best artist. There's a reason why I'm doing math, not art. So Alice's height is 1.5 meters, 1.5 meters tall. And this is the ceiling. It's 2.4 meters above the floor. So this is 2.4. And light bulb is located 10 centimeters below the ceiling. 0.1 meter below ceiling, there's a light bulb. Yeah, that's a light bulb. And if Alice puts her arm up, she can reach 46 centimeters, which is 0.46 meters. And you would have to look for the difference to find out the height of the stool that she needs to stand on to reach the light bulb. To do that, you'd have to first find out the light bulb from the floor. It's 0.1 below the ceiling, which means 2.4 subtract 0.1, which is 2.3. That's light bulb height from the floor. And Alice can reach, her reach is 1.5, which is her height, and her arm length, which is 0.46. So she can reach up to 1.96 meters if she stretches her arm high enough. That means the difference, 2.3 and 1.96, is 0.34 meters. So if she were to stand on a stool that's 0.34 meters, she can actually touch the light bulb. And this, in centimeters, you'll have to multiply 100 to get 34, which is choice B. For this session, we looked over questions 1 to 5, and thank you for listening.